Hello Virtuous family, welcome to Virtuous Skills. My name is Nancy. In today's video, what I have for you is Nigerian Uha Soup. Uha Soup is a popular Nigerian soup which we use ache, ofo or cocoyam as a thickener, and it is always very delicious. But today I will teach you another twist of making Uha Soup and you will keep asking for more. Let's dive right into the video. The ingredients we have for this Uha soup are 1. Uha, blended Egusi, Uziza seed, which I'll blend later, crayfish, Habanero pepper, onion, seasoning cube, salt, cow leg, cow beef, Kpomo, that is cow skin, stockfish, dry fish, smoked fish, and lastly palm oil. Here on the heat is the beef and the cow leg in different pots. I'll be adding seasoning cube to both of them, and to the beef I'll be adding stockfish because they have the same cooking time. Okay, this particular stockfish is not very tough or hard one, so you are free to add it to the beef. So the cow leg, I've added the cow skin already because of how tough the cow skin is. Once I'm done adding the seasoning cube, I will top water to them and then cover to cook until at least 90% soft or tender. Please note, if you are using stockfish head or another tough part of stockfish, cook it together with the cow leg, alright? Or better still, use your pressure cooker if you have one. While the beef and the cow skin is cooking, let's prep our ingredient, and I am starting with Uha. I will carefully remove or detach the leaf from the stem and cut it just like so. Please don't use knife to cut Uha, okay, because knife mark can make it dark easily. As you know, Uha is very tender. With your fingertip just like so, the cutting is very easy, and be sure not to add the head of each leaf because it is a bit bitter. Alright, for the smoked fish, dry fish, Uziza seed and Habanero pepper, I will prep them off the camera to save time. Yes, we are back to the meat. I've turned off the heat on the beef earlier before now because beef does not have the same cooking time with cow leg. Though I did not show all that because of time. Now the cow leg and cow skin is 90% cooked or soft. The cow leg has been on the heat for about 45 minutes, but if you have a pressure cooker, please use it on the cow leg. In less than 25 minutes or so, it will be good to go. As you can see, I am transferring the cow leg and the cow skin in the beef and the stock as well. Once that is carefully done, I will add the deboned smoked fish, dry fish and Habanero pepper, even the onion. As you know, in our main Uha soup, Igbos don't add onion to it, but to this particular Uha soup, I added onion for a twist, alright, and I blended it so smoothly so that it won't be seen or traced. Next is to add more water to the protein to cover it, or followed by some salt to taste. I won't add more salt because of the smoked fish I am using is a salty one. Alright, I am always very careful with salt when cooking with the fish. Alright, I've added some crayfish already. Next is to add some palm oil. Alright, once I'm done doing all that, I will stir, cover and allow to cook for 10 to 15 minutes. 15 minutes later, Virtuous family, we are back, and the next thing is to add our thickener, and I am using Egusi as a thickener today. I've blended it and added a little water. Okay, you can as well use ache, ofo or cocoyam as a thickener. There is no problem about that. But for today, Egusi to Uha is a go. Just try it and you thank me later. I am stirring afterward, cover and allow to cook for at least 20 to 25 minutes. By then the raw taste of Egusi will totally vanish completely. Yes, Virtuous family, the Egusi is well cooked. As you can see, I will stir to combine and then add the local spices, which is blended Uziza seed. Okay, after which I will check and balance the taste, and I found out that I needed to add more Uziza seed, and I added more Uziza seed to boost the first one I added, and then stir again and then check and balance the taste again, and this is absolutely delicious. Confirm in Agota. I will just allow the local spices to infuse inside the soup for just 5 minutes. Once that is done, I will add the Uha and then stir very well to combine. Once I am done stirring, I will cover and allow the Uha to cook for 3 to 5 minutes. Alright, 5 minutes later, Virtuous family, this is good to go. On this junction, Virtuous family, our Nigerian Uha soup, how to cook Uha soup with a twist, is ready. Let's go to the table and do it some good. good. Virtuous family, we all know that the soup is very much ready. Come in, wash your hand, join me, let's eat together, because eating together is love. I am eating the soup with semolina, and you can enjoy the soup with any swallow of your choice, or even lick the soup like that. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Please give the video a huge thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel with your bell on to be notified anytime we upload a new video. Share the video to families and friends and drop your encouraging comments. Don't forget to give us your feedback on all our social media handle if you try making your Uha soup this method. From me and all my crew, thanks for watching. Always remain blessed, and we will see you in our next one. Bye bye.